Do you love it? I know. Thank you. Yeah, you got a little Donald here. I got you everywhere. Let me get. I love it. And then look, are you ready? I even have my makeup done. The blue and the white, right? And then we got to do Donald number one, right? I love to see you. So happy. Oh, and don't forget the earrings. Look, look, look. No one can forget. Your name's on the back. It's everywhere. And you're the first one today. I had to come see you first. Yeah. Yes. Right. Right. Everyone should know you're here. And now I'm gonna go see your friends. You're number one. I had to go see you first. Love to see you, Donald. Have a good day.